how to successfully list products on JD Marketplace. So the first thing you're going to want to do is to go into the product section on your Shopify account. You will then want to click on a product, for example, city shoes, and you're going to want to make sure that under Sales Channels and Apps, JD Marketplace is selected. This will then mean that you can go to the JD Marketplace listing section and synchronize your products. Great, we are now going to go to the JD Marketplace listing section. So we're now going to scroll down on the JD Marketplace overview, and you can see that there are 4 key steps to listing your product successfully on JD Marketplace. Firstly, ready to synchronize. This means that the product information from Shopify is ready to synchronize, and you can now go in and fill out the necessary information in order to make sure that your product's information is correctly aligned so that JD can then help you submit it to customs in China. Customs filing takes on average 2 to 5 days. So after your product has been successfully approved by customs in China, it will then be automatically moved to the Ready to Publish section. Then you can go into the Ready to Publish section and select which products you want to publish and make live on JD Marketplace. Then, once they are live, you will be able to see how many products are live on JD Marketplace through published products. Great, so I'm now going to take you through the first step. Go on to Ready to Synchronize. And now you can clearly see the 4 stages that your products will go through before it gets listed successfully on JD Marketplace. Now, as we can see, if we move our cursor over to status, additional product information is required before we can synchronize the product. So now, I'm going to click on the product. So the title and description of your products will automatically be translated into Chinese for you, so you don't need to worry about that. Great. So as we scroll down, we can look at the brand and we can select which brand we would like. I'm going to pick Alexis M. Now, if you want to add a new category or a new brand to your store, it's pretty simple. All you have to do is go to Settings and fill in the related information. We will be taking you onto that in just a second. The weight filled in. Great. The SKU variants will also appear here. So I have my size 8 and I have my size 10. So we scroll down, you can see there's options for uploading images. You can upload more if you like. You can choose if you want to upload the same image. Fantastic. So this product has successfully finished the synchronization. Now we're ready for customs filing. We have 2 different options here. Either we can do a bulk customs filing by selecting all, or alternatively, we can do an individual customs filing. To begin with, let's do an individual product customs filing. So let's select our city shoes. Fill out the required information from China's customs in order to get your product up and running on JD Marketplace. So firstly, if you want to see a sample, simply put your cursor over the sample button. I'm now going to talk you through how to fill out each of these individual boxes. So for the product title, one of the great things about JD is that they automatically translate your product into Chinese. So you don't need to worry about that. With functionalities, simply write down the functions of the product. So for city shoes, boots to help you walk. For the usage, it just means usage under which scenario. So walking. The composition, leather, synthetics, nylon. The country of origin, you can select America. The manufacturer, for us, it's American Manufacturing Company for my city shoes. And then for the SKU variant information, you'll want to make sure that you fill out the required information for both the size 8 and for the size 10. So you'll want to have your UPC number. The model will be shoes. The price is automatically done through Shopify. It's using the exchange rate at any given time from US dollars into the Chinese yuan, and that will automatically update for you. For specs, you'll just simply want to put for 1 unit the weight of your product, and then you'll want to list your gross weight and your net weight. Then you will want to make sure that for both SKU sizes that it is uniform. Great, and now we can submit that to China Customs simply by pressing submit. It will then take approximately 2 to 5 days for China's customs to get back to you. And then, when you go back to the overview section, after you submit, you will be able to clearly see once your product has moved from customs filing to ready to publish. This will mean the Chinese customs officials have approved your product. Then you'll be able to go to ready to publish and to select the products that you want to list live on JD Marketplace. So we're now going to go back to the listing section and discuss how to do What you'll do is you'll click either download all products if you want to do all of the products customs information, or alternatively the multiple products that you selected to fill in. Once you download this Excel, most of the information will already be completed for you. You may just need to add in 1 or 2 pieces of additional information. Once you have finished completing the Excel, you can then upload it here. After you have uploaded it, you will be able to submit the product information to China Customs. Then you will be pretty much done. After 2 to 5 days, China Customs will review all of your products. Once all of your products have been approved by China's Customs, they will then be put into the Ready to Publish section. You will then be able to select the products that you want to go live onto JD Marketplace, and they'll be moved into the Published Products section. How exciting is that? Great. So now when we go back to the Overview section, you can clearly see when your products have successfully passed through China's Customs, because now your products will be listed under Ready to Publish. Great. So let's click on Ready to Publish. So here, you can basically see all of your products that have successfully passed through China's customs but are not yet live on the JD Marketplace. This means that customers will not be able to see your products unless you click Publish JD. Great. So let's do that. So I want all of these products to go live so that customers will be able to see them and to buy them. So now we click Publish to JD. Do you want to publish selected products? Yes. Now, all of my products have moved to Published Products, where you can see here all of the products that my customers can now see and are now able to purchase. The overview, you can now see an update, and you can see that your product is still listed under the Ready to Publish section. You can also see that you have 6 products that are currently live on the JD Marketplace. Now, if at any point you decide that you want to unpublish a few of your products from the JD Marketplace, then all you do is, okay, let's say slippers. I no longer want my slippers to be sold on JD Marketplace. So I'm going to select slippers. Then I'm going to hit Unpublish. Hit Confirm. And now, slippers is no longer live on the JD Marketplace because it is no longer listed under Published Products. Basically what happens is slippers will just move back to the Ready to Publish section. This is kind of like a waiting area. So if at any point you decide to change your mind and you want slippers to be sold on JD Marketplace again, all you do is you select slippers and then you select Publish to JD. And you can see your product status under the status section. So here it says unpublished. Now if we go back to the overview, I'm going to go into settings and I'm going to explain how you can add a category or how you can add a brand. So let's say, for example, other than men's shoes, you also want to apply for another category. So what you'll do here is you'll select which category. So let's say that you want to also sell jewelry. So you'll click jewelry, and then afterwards you'll click fashion accessories, and then finally you can click ring. Fantastic. Now you can submit. After you submit, you will have to wait about 1 to 3 days for JD to approve your store to also sell this new category. As you can tell here, we are also waiting for the store, for JD to approve the store to sell bags and accessories. If you want to know whether JD has approved, all you do is you click View All and you wait for the waiting sign to become approved. Add a new brand, then you have 2 options. Firstly, either you're a reseller or a distributor of an already established brand. In that case, chances are it's already listed on JD's Marketplace, so you can simply search for the brand here. Or if it's not listed or registered in China, then you can click Create a New One. So let's say that you're a reseller of Coach or distributor. Great. So then in that case, you're going to want to confirm the category. Now, if the category is not a category that you originally registered with for your other brand, then you're going to want to click Add Category to set up a new category and get authorization for that. Now, because we want to sell Coach's men's shoes, then we're simply going to click Choose Category. Because beforehand, that was the category that we already originally registered. So in that case, footwear, popular men's shoes, functional shoes. Then we'll click Submit. Great. So now the category has been confirmed. Continue to fill out the information. So as we're a reseller, I'll just click Reseller, and then you'll just want some proof that you can show. So that'll be either a trademark registration certificate or alternatively a customs declaration form for imported goods or purchase certificate. So you can just add in that picture there. You can put the date that it's valid until, and then you'll just want the packaging information here. So then you're good to save. Success. You have now successfully applied for your store brand, and it is now waiting for approval. Great, so now what we're going to do is we're going to briefly explain how to upload your own brand. So here what you have to do is firstly to upload your logo, then select the category. Now if you're wanting to add a new category, then what you would do is the same process as before, and you would click Add Category and go through the steps that we already went through. Next, you'll want to fill out your brand information. So brand name, Comfortable Men's Shoes, brand trademark entity, the brand type, which has already been selected for you, the business type, so this time we're an independent brand, and then finally you want to upload either a trademark registration certificate or a customs declaration form for imported goods or purchase certificate, so that we know that you're an authorized person to sell the goods. Great, so after you fill out all of that information, you can go ahead and click Save. Success. This means that now JD is reviewing your brand application, and within 1 to 3 working days, we'll get back to you. And then you'll be able to start listing your products and selling them on JD Marketplace. We look forward to having you to join our marketplace and selling your products on there.